उदीर्णः सर्वतश्चक्षुः
उदीर्णः सर्वतश्चक्षुः
अनीशः शाश्वतस्थिरः
अनीशः शाश्वतस्थिरः
भूषयो भूषणो भूतिः
भूषयो भूषणो भूतिः
विशोकः शोकनाशनः
विशोकः शोकनाशनः.
He generously makes himself visible to the naked eye, so we can concentrate on his form. When the devotees conduct several services like puja, snana, etc., he gets pleased and encourages them to do so. His devotees build images with human features and sanctify them. He dwells in those images to grace them. He generously extends help to those who are in need of material support. He is the great benefactor. उदीर्णः
उदीर्णः
सर्वतश्चक्षुः
सर्वतश्चक्षुः
अनीशः
अनीशः
शाश्वतस्थिरः
शाश्वतस्थिरः
भूषयः
भूषयः
भूषणः
भूषणः
भूतिः
भूतिः
विशोकः
विशोकः
शोकनाशनः
शोकनाशनः.
ॐ उदीर्णाय नमः.
ॐ उदीर्णाय नमः.
ॐ सर्वतश्चक्षुषे नमः.
ॐ सर्वतश्चक्षुषे नमः.
ॐ अनीशाय नमः.
ॐ अनीशाय नमः.
ॐ शाश्वतस्थिराय नमः.
ॐ शाश्वतस्थिराय नमः.
ॐ भूषयाय नमः.
ॐ भूषयाय नमः.
ॐ भूषणाय नमः.
ॐ भूषणाय नमः.
ॐ भूतये नमः.
ॐ भूतये नमः.
ॐ विशोकाय नमः.
ॐ विशोकाय नमः.
ॐ शोकनाशनाय नमः.
ॐ शोकनाशनाय नमः.
A sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise him, worship him, and prostrate yourself before him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras, become receptive, and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss.